Hi guys, welcome back to the baking aisle. It's fall season, and what else can we do but to make use of all our spices and vegetables at this time. Our star vegetable is pumpkin, and so I am beginning this series by showing you how I make pumpkin muffins. I am going to start by sifting into this bowl 415 grams of all-purpose flour, or 3 cups. Into that, guys, I am going to be adding 1.5 cup of baking powder. Sorry, teaspoons actually. And 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, and another 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. And then I'm gonna give that a quick sift. I'm going to bring in my spatula and I'm going to gently mix that all up together. Oh, it smells so good in here. That done, I am going to set this aside and we will start with our wet ingredients. In another bowl, guys, I am going to add 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and I'm going to use my hand mixer and I'll mix that until it comes together. Okay, at this time, I'm going to start adding my 5 eggs, which is at room temperature, and I'm gonna add them one at a time. Okay, and now I am going to bring back my dry ingredients. 1/2 cup of whole milk, 2 cups of pumpkin puree. Guys, this is homemade pumpkin and it's pretty easy to make. All you have to do is roast your pumpkin until it is fork soft, and then mash it or puree it and store it away in a glass container. So I'm gonna add 1/3 of my flour mixture, and I'm going to fold that in. Guys, this recipe can make up to 24 muffins. You can totally scale it up or down Now I'm going to add my milk. I'm adding all of that milk into it. I'm going to stir that in. Next, I'm going to add another third of my flour mixture. Oh, it smells absolutely delicious in my kitchen right now. All those spices. At this point, I'm going to add half of my 2 cups of pumpkin puree. Just look how that takes that color to another new level. And I'm gonna add a little bit more from here, but not just all of it. I'm gonna add the remaining part of my pumpkin my pumpkin puree. So I have a total of 2 cups of pumpkin puree in this batter. Look how it changes the color. And I'll add my last batch of flour mixture. Going to stir that. And finally, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, so all my ingredients is well incorporated at this time, and that is all there is to the pumpkin batter. Guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in my muffin pan that I have lined with these beautiful cups, and now I'm going to fill them up. I'm using this lovely measurement spoon to measure up my batter, so I have the exact same thing in every single cup. And I'm filling these cups only 1/3 of the way up, and now it is ready. So guys, I am going to be baking this muffins in my preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I will be reducing the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll be baking it for additional 15 to 18 minutes. So I'll see you back then. Guys, it's been 22 minutes in total, and my pumpkin muffins are ready. Just look how beautiful is that. And so guys, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for staying with me to the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and of course share this with your friends and families. Guys, see you in the next one.